Number 1. Build your environment for happiness. Positive things in your environment, music in particular, can help induce states of happiness. Adjust your home and work environment with the unique sights or sounds that make you happiest. Number 2. Light management. Light exposure is key to quality sleep. Quality sleep is key to happiness. In morning, direct sunlight within 1 hour of waking. In afternoon, keep lights bright throughout the day, even artificial light. And in evening, start to dim lights. Night, avoid bright blue light 1 hour before bed. Number 3. Give money, effort to those in need. According to a 2008 study, giving money, effort, even a small amount, had a strong impact on happiness. This effect is boosted if the receiver actually needs the help. Number 4. Leverage the focus system. When we are not focusing on what we're doing, we tend to be far less happy than when we are fully engaged. Laundry, dishes, cooking. Whether it's an activity you enjoy or not, put as much of your focus into it as you can. Number 5. Make your choices final. More flexibility equals more happiness. Right. Not necessarily. Studies show that when we make a choice and are forced to stick to it, we are happier than if we have the option to change our mind. If you make a decision, think of it as a final decision. Number 6. Quality social connections. The longest study on happiness ever conducted showed this to be the number 1 indicator of happiness. Some takeaways are like, try to have some face-to-face social interaction in the morning. Good, not constant presence and eye contact are key to establishing connections. Physical touch is powerful. So what makes you the happiest? Don't forget to comment down.